Do you want to back up all your Windows drivers before reinstalling Windows? First, connect a USB drive to your computer. Create a new folder on the USB drive and name it Drivers. Now click the Start button. Type CMD in search bar. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now type the driver backup command. Place E with your USB drive later. Then press Enter. Windows will start exporting all installed drivers to the drivers folder on your USB drive. Wait for the process to complete. Once finished, all your drivers will be safely backed up and ready to use if you reinstall Windows in the future. If you reinstall Windows later,
1 year later.
connect the same USB drive. Open Device Manager. Right click the device that needs a driver and select Add Drivers. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Select the driver's backup folder and click Next. Windows will search the folder and install the driver automatically. That's it. Now you have a backup of your Windows drivers ready whenever you need it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials.